Hello everyone, this is my assignment 2 for MIT 806. My name is Kelly Rose. My lesson objective is for students to be able to solve a multiplication problem within 100 and explain their strategy. This is something that my third graders do at the very beginning of the year and is kind of like a sum up of everything that we do at the very beginning of the year. Our district has priority standards for each subject, and this falls under this priority standard in math for third grade. As far as meeting the objective, my students will be able to solve the multiplication problem. In this case, it's 6 times 8, which you'll see in a moment, and be able to fluently explain the process in solving this problem. They will use one of the strategies that they've been taught so far in order to explain how they came up with their answer. Contribution is explaining how multiplication works is very difficult for third graders. Being able to explain how they came to an answer is very difficult. So I feel that by doing this activity, it will help maximize and deepen their understanding of multiplication and in math in general. Here's my instructions for students I would have up in the online community. And it lists all the strategies that they could use. I even made a special note that I know some of them could probably solve this without using a strategy. They may just know what 6 times 8 is. However, the requirement is that they pick one to at least demonstrate. Let me go, I'm using Flipgrid. Let me go to that real fast. Flipgrid is one of my favorite things that I started using last year in my classroom, and it allows me to create different topics of discussion and that sort of thing, and a question I can ask, and they have to video themselves explaining or recording their answer, and they get to see each other's videos and comment on it and so forth, kind of like a blog. So here's kind of what my teacher page looks like. This is under multiplication, obviously. My question is, how would you solve 6 times 8? What strategy did you use, and why did you choose that strategy? So this is where all the videos will be posted once my students have responded. I'm going to go ahead and log in as a student, kind of show what the example or what the video would be of me explaining what they should do. So I'm going to click on this. I made a pretend student. Okay. All right, students, so today you're going to log on to Flipgrid, and you will see under Miss Rose's math group that we have a new topic under multiplication. We have been learning different strategies to solve multiplication problems. We've learned about arrays, equal groups, how to make a tape diagram, how to skip count. And I would like you to use one of those strategies today to kind of explain how you would solve 6 times 8. In your video on Flipgrid, you will talk about how you solved it. You will draw it out on a whiteboard while you're explaining. Talk about the strategy you used and why you chose that strategy. So once you click on the multiplication, you're going to go ahead and hit Add Response. Once you do that, your little video will pop up. It's best to keep your video over here under Options. You can make it smaller. But since you'll be using a whiteboard, I think it would be best for you to use the 16:9 board. You can add little notes if you'd like in your video. You have 3 minutes to record your video. Be sure to add your strategy and why you chose that strategy. When you're ready to record, you can go ahead and hit this button. And as you can see, you can hit the right arrow when you're done, or go ahead and hit this record button again to stop your video. When you are satisfied with your video, let me go ahead and make a video explaining your strategy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and hit this next button over here in the corner. Hopefully it works. Nope, I don't want to do that. Trying to hit next. Okay, so I went ahead and hit the next button, and it kind of shows you a preview of what your video looks like. You can add a title to it. You can redo it if you would like. You can cut out some things if you would like. Edit it however you need to.
Explaining your strategy.
And then hit next. You can add a selfie if you would like. Oops. And then now everything's been posted. You hit complete. And then now you can go back into what I want you to do at the very end once everyone's posted their videos. I want you to go back in and watch the videos so that you can comment on each other's videos. You can leave a positive note about how well they did or what you liked that they did. If you have any suggestions for them, you could add that as well. It's up to you. Good luck.